Canadian Air Force station somewhere in England, Mr. Sam Eckman Jr. adopts a bomber squadron on behalf of Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer, of which he is managing director. The 427th Squadron, RCAF, has already earned a great reputation during raids over Germany. Recently, the men decided to call it the Lion Squadron, and they also decided to ask M.G.M. to adopt them, a suggestion which, of course, Mr. Eckman eagerly accepted. This is the first time that any commercial organization has received such an honor. Mr. Eckman presented a replica of the famous trademark to the squadron for their mess.
May I ask you to accept from us this lion, this bronze lion, which has been suitably inscribed. Incidentally, it's an early 19th century French lion, and I don't think I need add that it's a three-hand fighting French lion. And though it may be a bit too heavy for you to take on operational work, we would like you to accept it from us as a mascot, and we sincerely hope that it will bring you and all your men the great luck that they so richly deserve. Thank you very much for listening to me.
Mr. Acton, on behalf of the officers, NCOs, and airmen, and indeed airwomen of the Lion Squadron, I'd like to thank you for this magnificent presentation of Bronze Lion. I rather feel that the interest which Metro-Goldwyn-Mayer Film Corporation, and particularly Mr. Acton, have taken in the squadron during the last 2 months have been a great encouragement to all of us. And so, Mr. Acton, on behalf of the entire squadron, I thank you most profusely.
In addition, each man of both air and ground crews will be given a miniature lion, which, as well as being a memento well worth having, also gives them the freedom of all M.G.M. theatres. As you can see, Mr. Eckman soon got on excellent terms with this other mascot. The Halifax bombers will be named after famous film stars, and there was great rivalry about which plane was to have which star. Lots were drawn and excitement was high. Lana Turner was favourite, I understand, with Hedy Lamarr and Greer Garson running her close. The lucky crew straight away chalked up their victory. Mr. Eckman wasted no time in getting to know the bomber crews personally. In wishing them good luck and good bombing in their future raids, may we hope that the Axis becomes increasingly aware of the roar of the M.G.M. Lion Squadron.